What's going on, everybody? I just thought I would make a quick little video on updating the Tinker Electronics digital dash splash screens. I've got a 10-inch in my car, and they offer a 5-inch and also a 7-inch. It's pretty much the same way to update all of them. So, what you do, pick your favorite flavor of editing software. I use Canva, it's free. Uh, I go to custom size, create new on the 10-inch dash. It's 1024 by 600 pixels. On the 5-inch and the 7-inch, it's 800 by 480. You have to use those sizes for it to work. Just click create new design. I've got an uploaded picture that's just a graphic for Grand National. Um, Whenever you stretch it out, go all the way out to the sides, it centers itself. You can see the little lines. From there, go up to the top, save it as boot, capital letters, BOOT, and then you can go to share, download. Now, this is one of the other important parts. You have to save it as a JPEG or it won't work. So, save it as a JPEG, download. Once it's downloaded, I've already got my Windows Explorer open, so I'm just going to drag the file over to it, put it on a flash drive. 32 gigabytes or smaller should work. Once you get that, eject the flash drive, and we're going to go put it in the car. So I will meet you in the car in just a minute.
All right, so we're out in the car. Let's turn the key on, see what the stock screen looks like. Tinker Electronics sweeps the shift light and then goes to the gauges. So you turn your key back off. We put in our SD card that we just made. Now yours is going to go in on the top of the screen. I had to pull the screen out of the box to fit in my car. It just wouldn't fit any other way, so I've got an external card reader. Once you get it in there, turn the key on, and there's our cool image that we just made. It's a quick, easy way to personalize your dash. Let's see down in the comments how you personalized yours. And if you got value out of this video, please like and subscribe, and we will talk at you later.